Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek aka Design Survey, and today we are going to learn how you can create realistic reflections in Photoshop. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So guys, we have this image. You can download this image from my Telegram channel, link in description, and just duplicate this layer by holding it and put it right here, or you can press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then you have to select the polygonal lasso tool and simply make a selection of the road you see here. So you can download this image from my Telegram channel, link in the description. And now simply hold Alt and click on this layer mask icon to create a invert layer mask. So just let's click here and it will create a inverted layer mask, and your layer mask will look like this. Okay, now create a new layer. Now we have to go to filter again and then click on render and click on clouds. So for selecting this layer, you have to press Ctrl plus A and then Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then press Ctrl plus D to deselect the layer. And now you just have to delete this layer because we don't need it, and create a new layer again. Now go to filter and vanishing point. So in the vanishing point, you have to create 4 points like this to match the perspective of the road. Simply just drag it like this and adjust it according to your need, and just like this, a little bit like this. Yes. Now press Ctrl V to paste, and let's press Ctrl T and make it a little smaller because just need to make it a smaller. Really, I have to put it like this. Okay. Now you have to adjust it according to yourself, and for the duplicating this image you have to hold Alt and duplicate it like this and click on OK and create a solid color adjustment layer. Choose black color and put it behind this render layer. Now simply create a level adjustment layer. You can use curves also, but I will use levels. So what we are doing is we are trying to separate the whites and blacks. And now go to channels and hold Ctrl and click on this blue channel, and it will select the white. Now we don't need these 3 layers, so we'll select them all and group them and just hide them. We don't need them anymore. Now select this layer and simply put it in the group. Now in the group you have to create a layer mask. Now simply select your image. Okay, now press Ctrl T, right click and click on rotate 180. It will rotate your image like this. Right click again and click on flip horizontal, and now it's perfectly aligned. So just click OK, and this is how you can create realistic reflections in Photoshop. You can click on the like button to help me reach more people, and comment down what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next one.